Alright, you know me and subscription boxes. There's a subscription box for everything, and I love trying subscription boxes. I love it. It's just so exciting to me. So I tried a new one this month, the Dollar Shave Club. So I usually use the Venus razor, which is like $11 or something. I love that razor, but you get your first box of Dollar Shave Club for $5. So the way I look at it, trying this box, save me some money. So if you'd like to know what's in the box for $5 and what I think of it, then just keep watching. Okay, so I couldn't talk about the Dollar Shave Club without trying it out this morning. So this isn't necessarily an unboxing, but it kind of is. Unboxing and first impressions. So when you open the box, you get this member handbook, and it just kind of tells you the add-ons that you can add on to your subscription, etc., etc. I'm just keeping with the basics. I'm not upgrading anything. And then you got this little, it's called the bathroom reader, so you can put this in your bathroom to read. Okay, but now the pièce de résistance. So for $5, my first subscription box came with shave butter. I did enjoy this. I don't enjoy it as much as my Pacifica shave whip, but I did like it. It's a little bit watery, so I would not call it a butter. It's more of a lotion texture. The one downside I had to this was you don't get to pick and choose different scents. Like, this was the only option that I had. And I wish, you know, a lot of women use this. So I wish there would have been a more feminine option. I don't think this is extremely masculine, like it doesn't have a cologne scent to it, but it is a very clean, crisp, more masculine scent, if that makes sense. So I would have appreciated a little vanilla or, you know, coconut scent to choose from, but this is what I got. It did work. I did enjoy it. I don't think I would repurchase it though. I think I would stick with my Pacifica shave whip, just because the scent was a little too masculine for me. Alright, then we got the razor. It came just the razor. There's a hair. And then it comes with 4 blades. So as you can see, I've already put one blade on. So they say to change your blades once a week. This is a monthly subscription box, so this will last me a month. And honestly, I don't change my blades once a week. But I'm going to start with this subscription box. The razor was wonderful. The body of it is heavier than my Venus. My Venus is more of a plastic, so this feels a little more luxurious. It feels a little nicer. It's a little easier to grip than the Venus razor. The blades are so nice. My legs are so soft. So soft. Would I say the blades are better than the Venus? Not necessarily. I think they're equivalent to one another. I get just as good of a shave with the Venus as I do with this one. However, the perk to this one is I do like this piece better. Because it's heavier, because it's got the grips on it, it did make it a little easier to shave. And for $5, I can change my blades once a week, whereas with Venus I'd stretch it out to like every 2 weeks, maybe every 3. You know what I'm saying? So my first impression of this shave box, it is definitely a keeper. I'm going to keep getting this. I may look at it for next month and see if there's any add-ons or upgrades or anything that I can do, but really as a basic box, I think it's fantastic. If this, I'll have to look and see, but if this is a standard in every box, I'm just going to pass this on to like my husband or my son. But overall first impressions, she is a keeper. She saves me money. I get to change the blades out once a week. And the shave was lovely. So Good box. Thank you, Dollar Shave Club. All right, until next time, my loves.